Okay, I had this old block and tackle set. It never worked. Jammed up every time I tried to lift anything heavy. Took it apart to figure out why. Pulleys are garbage. The bolts don't help. They're 1/4 20, but the shank is only 213. This hole as molded is 290, so that's sloppy as hell. This is the rope that was on. It's a 5/16, but the pulley isn't. It's made for more like a 3/16 or maybe a 1/4. And it's garbage plastic. They didn't do anything to clean up sprues or flash. Where's the flashing on this thing? Yeah. Flashing right there in the groove. This one wallowed out from just trying to pull hard enough to get it to work. Garbage plastic, I think recycled grocery bags or something. So, made my own pulleys with bronze bushings in the middle. Better profile. This isn't the final iteration. I made them a little bit wider radius, and it worked great, except the bolts were spinning with the pulley, so I made these keepers to keep the bolt from turning and keep the nut just snug without coming out. Much better. And I had this other rope, this braided polypropylene, that's better because the nylon tries to twist when you have a suspended load. Twists real bad. Plus this rope is about 50% longer, which is going to help for the job I want to do.